Hey y'all, I'm Stephanie Jarvis-Caskell with Berkshire Hathaway, and I am super excited to show you my newest waterfront listing in Norfolk, Virginia. Are you ready for it? Welcome to 381 Peace Haven Drive. This custom-built luxury home offers 4,000 square feet of living space, a waterfront location with a dock and deep water access, 4 bedrooms including a first-floor primary with recently renovated bath, plus multiple living spaces and a beautiful sunroom addition. This gorgeous waterfront home is located in the hidden gem neighborhood of Pleasant Point in Norfolk, Virginia. This neighborhood offers easy access to the interstate, Virginia Beach, and downtown Norfolk, while also offering a tranquil waterfront setting. Call me today to schedule your private viewing on this luxury property.